All right, 8th grade English. This is our bell work for week 11. It is on verb tense. All right, this week we are going to be dealing with our verb tense. And we may have past, present, or future tense that we're going to be discussing. Now, future tense will have shall or will with it. Present happens now, and past happened yesterday. So when you look at number 1, I shall be going. If you said, I shall be going to the store, that means it's not happened yet. So that's in the future. So you can just write an F on the line. Will bite. The dog will bite you. Will bite means future. So we can write an F on the line. Speak. I speak loudly. That is happening right now. So that is present. We're going to write pre. Lived. I lived on that street when I was young. Lived is past. And we're going to write past. Arrives. The dog arrives home. That means it's happening right now. So that is present. Will have been playing. That is has the shall or will. So that is future tense. Talked. I talked. Yesterday I talked your ear off. That is past. I write P-A-S-T. Will have collected. That is future tense. Was sent. The package was sent. Yesterday, the package was sent. That is the past. And have shot. I have shot all of my money on the movie. Shot. Have shot. That is past tense. So what you are going to do is you are going to make sure you have all this filled in. Notice the abbreviations that I gave you guys to use, the information over here. You are going to finish the other days. When you're finished with the assignment, don't forget to submit to me through Canvas. Good luck and have fun.